You think you're protected. You think your insurance company has your back. But the truth? One small mistake, just one unchecked box, one overlooked detail, can cost you not hundreds, not thousands, but sometimes even your entire financial security. Here are the 10 biggest insurance mistakes people make every single day. Mistakes that quietly drain their bank accounts and destroy their peace of mind. Stay with me, because what you don't know about your insurance could be the most expensive lesson of your life. And when we reach number 1, you'll realize why most people's coverage is nothing more than a false sense of security. Number 10. Choosing the cheapest policy without reading the fine print. So many people go for the cheapest insurance plan just to save money. But here's the suspenseful twist. Cheap today often means expensive tomorrow. Hidden deductibles, exclusions, and coverage gaps lurk in the fine print. When disaster strikes, a car accident, a home flood, you discover that the cheap policy doesn't actually cover what matters most. That's when the bills come pouring in, leaving you financially exposed. The sad part is, most people only discover these gaps after a crisis, when it's too late to change anything. The question is, will you pay a little more today to sleep peacefully tomorrow? Number 9. Underinsuring your home or car. It feels safe to just pick the minimum required coverage. But here's the trap. If your car gets totaled or your home suffers serious damage, the payout may not even come close to covering the replacement value. Imagine losing a house worth $300,000 and realizing your policy only covers $150,000. That's not just a mistake. It's financial devastation that can take decades to recover from. Underinsurance is a silent gamble people play without realizing it. You might think, what are the chances of a total loss? But disasters don't ask for permission. Always insure for replacement value, not just minimums. Number 8. Forgetting to update policies after major life changes. Marriage, divorce, having a child, buying a home, even switching jobs. Every one of these milestones can change your insurance needs overnight. But most people forget to update their policies. The suspenseful reality: your loved ones may be left unprotected, or worse, your ex could still be listed as your life insurance beneficiary. Shocking, right? Insurance is like a mirror of your life. If your life changes but the mirror doesn't, the reflection becomes dangerous. Forgetting to update your policies is like locking the wrong doors in your house. You think you're safe, but the danger is already inside. Number 7. Not bundling policies when it could save thousands. Insurance companies often offer big discounts for bundling, like combining home and auto insurance. Yet millions of people keep policies separate, throwing away hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year. This mistake isn't flashy, but it's deadly quiet. It slowly drains your wallet over time. Think of it like this. You're paying for 2 separate gym memberships when one could give you the same access at half the cost. Bundling doesn't just save money. It simplifies management, reduces paperwork, and can even strengthen your negotiation power with the insurer. But people avoid it because they think it's too much hassle. Number 6. Ignoring the importance of disability insurance. Most people think about health, life, or car insurance. But here's the chilling fact. You're more likely to face a disability during your working years than to die young. Without disability coverage, even a short-term illness or injury could wipe out your savings. It's the silent killer of financial security. Most people don't see it coming until it's too late. Picture this: one accident, one slip at work, or even one unexpected diagnosis, and suddenly you can't work for months. Your bills don't stop, but your income does. That's when disability insurance is the difference between stability and bankruptcy. Yet, because it's not talked about as much, people ignore it. But ignoring it is like pretending the storm won't come just because the sky looks clear today. Don't bet your entire future on luck. Number 5. Relying only on employer-provided insurance. Your company offers life insurance, health insurance, maybe even dental. Sounds great, right? Here's the trap. The moment you leave that job, your coverage often disappears. Many people believe their employer's plan is enough, until they switch jobs, get laid off, or retire. Suddenly, they're uninsured or facing sky-high costs. Depending only on your employer is like building a house on sand. It looks solid, But one shift, and it all collapses. Companies offer coverage as a benefit, not a lifetime promise. And when you leave, your benefits stay behind. Imagine building your entire safety net on a ladder someone else controls. That's what relying on employer coverage is. Convenient until it's not. Personal policies may cost more upfront, but they're yours forever. Don't confuse temporary comfort with permanent security. Number 4. Not comparing quotes and staying loyal to one insurer. Insurance companies know human behavior. Once you're signed up, you're likely to stay for years. But what if I told you that loyalty can cost you thousands? Rates change, competitors offer better deals, and yet people rarely shop around. That's like paying full price for something while everyone else is getting it half off. Blind loyalty is a costly mistake that companies hope you never realize. Insurance companies reward new customers, not loyal ones. You stay, they raise your rates. Someone new joins, they get a discount. It's a game they've mastered for decades. Shopping around every year or two could save you hundreds of thousands. But most people avoid it out of laziness or fear of paperwork. In reality, it's a one-hour task that can protect years of savings. Loyalty feels safe, but in the insurance world, it's often a trap. Number 3. Overlooking health insurance deductibles and networks. You buy health insurance and feel safe. But here's the hidden danger. Your deductible might be so high that you'll never see a payout unless you face a major medical crisis. Worse, if you end up at an out-of-network hospital, your coverage could vanish altogether. Picture being wheeled into emergency surgery, only to later discover the insurance you've been paying for won't cover the hospital's bill. That's the kind of nightmare mistake that can follow you for years. This mistake isn't rare. It happens daily. People believe they're covered because they have insurance. But insurance with a $10,000 deductible isn't really coverage. It's a bill waiting to happen. And if your hospital or doctor is out of network, you're not covered at all. The suspenseful truth? A single hospital visit can equal years of premiums. Health insurance isn't just about having it. It's about knowing exactly how it works. Number 2. Not having life insurance, or getting it too late. This is one of the most heartbreaking mistakes. People put off buying life insurance because they don't need it yet, or will get it later. But tragedy doesn't wait. And the longer you wait, the higher the premiums climb. Worse, if health issues develop before you apply, you might be denied coverage completely. Families left behind without life insurance often face debts, unpaid mortgages, and financial collapse on top of grief. Life insurance is the one thing people hate to think about, but regret not having the most. Imagine a family losing their main provider and then losing their home shortly after. It happens more often than you think. Every day you wait, it costs more. Every year you delay, your family's risk grows higher. It's not a purchase for you. It's a shield for the people you love most. Number 1. Thinking insurance alone will protect you. Here it is, the most dangerous mistake of all. Believing that just because you have insurance, you're fully protected. The suspenseful truth? Insurance is not a magic shield. It's a contract. And contracts are full of loopholes, exclusions, and hidden traps. The company's job is not to make you rich. It's to protect themselves first. Without understanding your policy, without reviewing it regularly, you could be paying thousands every year for an illusion of safety. Think about it. Insurance is written in language designed to confuse you. If you don't watch and review it, you're blindfolded. True protection isn't just buying insurance. It's understanding it, customizing it, and reviewing it yearly. Otherwise, you're like a soldier walking into battle with armor full of cracks. The illusion of safety is often more dangerous than no safety at all. So, which of these mistakes have you been making without even realizing it? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and hit that like button, smash subscribe, and tap the notification bell, because I'll be uncovering more hidden financial traps and secrets they don't want you to know.